Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create quiz in Google Form with timer. The first thing you want to do once on Google Forms, you're going to simply tap on Template Gallery in the top right hand corner. After selecting Template Gallery, I want you to scroll down until you see Education. Below that, you're going to see Blank Quiz. You're going to select that template. After you have selected blank quiz, from here you'll be able to add the questions that you would like to ask and also the different answers. So you can input the question right where you see untitled question right there. You could type out whatever question you want. So for example, I could type in what day is it? You can add in your question right there. Then you can choose whether it is multiple choice or short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, or so on. So you can tap right where you see multiple choice on my screen. By the way, depending on the type of question that you have asked, you will see suggestions below it. So I'm going to just tap on add all and you can see the different suggestions right here. Once you have created your quiz, and you can add other questions by tapping on the plus right here from the top right hand corner, and you could add another question, and again you can change the type of question and so on. Now that you have done that, what you'll need to do next, you're going to add an extension which would be your timer. To access extensions on Google Form, you'll need to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on the three dots, from here you're going to tap on Get Add-ons. Once you have tapped on Get Add-ons, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in timer. After you have typed in timer, you can see numerous different timers that you can choose from. So you can see the different options and most of them do the same thing. The timer that I'll be using for this example is timer plus Proctor Google Forms. So I'm going to tap on that. After you have done that, you can simply select it right here. So you can see that it has been used by over 36 million persons and it also has a high ratings. You can select any other one if you want. After you have selected it, you're going to tap on install. Once you have installed it, you'll close the box. Then you're going to verify your email address. So you'll go into the email that you had entered, you'll go into the inbox and you're going to verify it. After you have verified your email address, you're going to tap on the add-ons icon from the top navigation bar. Then you're going to select timer plus Proctor Google Forms. After you have done that, you'll be redirected. You're going to see a pop-up. So let me do that once more. Let me refresh this page. Then if I were to tap on it, you will see the option settings and you're going to tap on that. After tapping on settings, you're going to see a pop-up box appear. Now that the pop-up box has appeared, you can choose if you would like to enable proctoring and also enable resume on submitting tests. You can disable or enable those. You can also set the max number of attempts persons will get, and you can choose to enable your timer. So I can tap on enable timer, then I can select timer right here, and after selecting timer you can set your duration minutes, how long you would like the test to last. So for example, let's say 10 minutes. Then you can select the start date. So this will be the date that you will be sending them the quiz link and when they'll be able to start doing the quiz. So for example, let's say I'll be allowing them to start on the 23rd. Then you can select the start time. So let's set the start time right here. Let's say the start time is 10. So I'll set it at, better yet, 1. I'll just set it at 1 right there. So you can enter the start time. So let's set it at 1 p.m. Then you can set the end date. So the end date will be the 23rd also. And the time would be 10 minutes after 1. So we'll set it right there and it will be that. After you have done that, you can choose whether it will be auto close test. So you're going to tap right there and you can simply tick all of these boxes. So I'm just going to tick all of these boxes going up. After you have ticked all the boxes, you're going to tap on update settings and you can see settings successfully updated. Then you will tap on OK. You can also set up the proctor, and this is those different features that you also get to use with this plugin. For example, you'll be able to track tab switching, so you'll be able to see if they are using other tabs while doing the quiz. You can also see if they are accessing the camera, microphone, photos at random, and so on. Once you're finished setting it up, you can scroll down, and then from there you can tap on choose classroom, and you can choose a classroom. After you have done that, you can tap right where you see copy link, and after you have copied the link, you'll now be able to share it. And by the way, if you were to share the link at the moment, this is how it would look. So once they receive the link, if they wanted to start, they would not be able to start until the date and time that you have set.